Hey guys, welcome again. Rajesh here. Today I'm going to teach you about variables. So if you guys already know the basics of variables or the basics of Python or any programming language, then you are most welcome to skip it. Or if you are new to this platform, then you gotta see this. So let's open our terminal. What is a variable basically? In programming language, a variable is just a name assigned to a memory location in our system or the hard drive. So like if we consider this add as a variable in Python, then what it does is that this add variable allocates a memory location in our hard drive whose index is add, and let's consider we assign a simple value to it. Let that be add equals to 5. So by hitting enter we conclude that the value of variable add is 5, or the memory location whose ID is add has a value 5 stored in it. So now in Python, after declaring and defining the value of a variable, whenever you type the variable in the same program, wherever you get the assigned value of that variable. It's like type add and then hit enter. See, we got an output 5. That was the preceding value of add before. So what a variable is in general, like in maths or any other books, a variable is something whose value changes, or a variable is something or any quantity whose value is unidentified or unidentifiable. Let us consider add. The previously used variable has a value of 10 now. So after we hit enter, and in the same program if you hit add and then search for its value by hitting enter, then we get the value of add as 10, which implies that the value of a variable in a Python code can be changed wherever and whenever it is necessary. So what are the process of declaring the variables in Python? Let's consider another variable that may be name. Let's consider a variable as name and it has a value ram. So after storing the value ram, here we have ram as the value of the memory location name. So after we store the value ram in the memory location name, we can get the value of name variable anywhere in the same program as needed. Let's consider typing name and then hitting enter. See, we got the value as ram. So this is the process of declaring a variable in Python, but you cannot use a built-in function of Python in a Python program as a variable.